Frogs and Toads, the Amazing Amphibians of Nature. Part 2. Frogs and toads are fascinating amphibians found on every continent except Antarctica. They play a vital role in ecosystems by controlling insect populations and serving as indicators of environmental health. With their incredible diversity of colors, calls, and adaptations, these creatures showcase the beauty and balance of nature. 26. Budgett's frog. Scientific name is Lepidobatrachus levis. Nicknamed the hippo frog, the species has a broad, flat head and comical appearance. It's aggressive and will inflate its body when threatened, making a loud squealing sound. 27. Malayan horned frog. Scientific name is Megaphras nasuta. With pointed horns above its eyes, the Malayan horned frog perfectly blends into the forest floor. Its leaf-like shape makes it nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. 28. Madagascar tomato frog. Scientific name is Discophus gwinneti. A close relative of the tomato frog, the species also boasts a red-orange hue. It releases a sticky white substance from its skin to deter attackers. 29. Green and black poison dart frog. Scientific name is Dendrobates auratus. This vibrant frog displays shimmering green and black patterns. Found in Central America, it uses its skin toxins for protection and is admired for its beauty. 30. Wallace's flying frog. Scientific name is Rhacophorus nigropomatus. Discovered by Alfred Russel Wallace, this frog can glide from tree to tree using webbed feet like parachutes. It's a master of the Southeast Asian rainforest canopy. 31. African reed frog. Scientific name is Hyperoleus viridiflavus. Colorful and adaptable, the African reed frog is often seen clinging to reeds and grasses near water. Males produce a sharp, clicking call during the rainy season to attract mates. 32. Amazon horned frog. Scientific name is Ceratiferus cornuta. Also known as the Suriname horned frog, the species has horn-like projections above its eyes. Its huge mouth allows it to ambush and swallow prey almost as large as itself. 33. Puerto Rican coqui. Scientific name is Eleutherodactylus coqui. The coqui is a small but loud frog native to Puerto Rico, famous for its coqui nighttime call. It is a national symbol and deeply loved in Puerto Rican culture. 34. Smooth-sided toad. Scientific name is Raboguttatus. This large South American toad has smooth, glossy skin and a deep reddish-brown color. It secretes strong toxins when threatened and lives in tropical rainforests. 35. Spadefoot toad. Scientific name is Scaphiopus holbrooki. Known for the spade-like structures on its hind feet, this toad burrows underground to escape drought. It emerges during heavy rains to breed in temporary pools. 36. European common frog. Scientific name is Rana temporaria. A familiar species across Europe, the common frog thrives in ponds, meadows, and gardens. It hibernates during winter and returns to water each spring to breed. 37. Tree-hole frog. Scientific name is Metaphronella sundan. Found in Borneo, this tiny frog lives and breeds inside water-filled tree holes. Its unique, echoing call is perfectly adapted to resonate inside these natural chambers. 38. Indian bullfrog. Scientific name is Hoplobatrachus tigerinus. Large and brightly colored during mating season, the Indian bullfrog's males turn yellow with blue vocal sacs. They are powerful jumpers and thrive in monsoon-flooded fields. 39. Malabar gliding frog. Scientific name is Rhacophorus malabaricus. Native to India's western Ghats, this frog uses its webbed feet to glide between trees. Its vivid green body and red webbing make it a spectacular sight during the rainy season. 40. Cuban tree frog. Scientific name is Osteopilus septentrionalis. The largest tree frog in North America, the Cuban tree frog is an invasive species known for its voracious appetite. It can live in urban areas and competes with native frogs for food. 41. Daruma pond frog. Scientific name is Pelophylax porosus brevipadus. Native to Japan, the Daruma pond frog is known for its rounded shape and loud croaking call. It inhabits rice paddies, ponds, and wetlands, playing an important role in pest control. 42. Boreal chorus frog. Scientific name is Pseudacris maculator. This small North American frog is one of the first to sing in spring. Its cheerful trill marks the end of winter and the start of the breeding season in ponds and marshes. 43. Oriental flying frog. Scientific name is Rhacophorus reinvati. A skilled glider, this frog uses its large webbed feet to leap and soar between trees. Found in Southeast Asia, it spends most of its life high in the rainforest canopy. 44. Panama golden frog. Scientific name is Atelopus zeteki. Brilliantly yellow and beautifully patterned, the Panama golden frog is a national symbol of Panama. Sadly, it is critically endangered due to habitat loss and fungal disease. 45. Colorado river toad. Scientific name is Incilius alvarius. Also called the Sonoran desert toad, this large species secretes a potent toxin from its glands. It lives in the southwestern United States and is active during summer rains. 46. Green frog. Scientific name is Lithobates clamitans. Common across eastern North America, the green frog has a distinct, plunk, call that sounds like a banjo string. It's often found near ponds, lakes, and slow-moving streams. 47. Amazon leaf frog. Scientific name is Crusioila craspedopus. This stunning frog has bright green skin with orange legs and webbing. It lives high in Amazonian trees, rarely coming down except to breed in water-filled hollows. 48. Mountain yellow-legged frog. Scientific name is Rana muscosa. Found in the mountain streams of California, the species has yellow legs and smooth skin. Once abundant, it is now endangered due to pollution and introduced predators. 49. Harlequin toad. Scientific name is Atelopus varius. Named for its colorful, jester-like patterns, the harlequin toad inhabits tropical streams in Central and South America. It is critically endangered but remains a symbol of biodiversity. 50. Strawberry poison dart frog. Scientific name is Oophaga pumilio. This tiny but dazzling frog displays a bright red body and blue legs, resembling a strawberry. Found in Central America, it is both beautiful and toxic, a jewel of the rainforest floor. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.